Let's talk about the rising demand for an English speaker. Whether you want to impress your employer or you have a job that will require you to do a lot of business travel, English is very, very important. Today, I'm going to be focusing on the 10 words that you should be using, or rather, the 10 advanced business English words that you need in your vocabulary. Let's start learning. Alright, so many of these words that I'm going to be sharing with you today have general meanings, but I will be focusing purely on the business text. Okay, the first is expand. That's right. The verb to expand actually means to increase the size or amount of something. But in business terms, we often talk about expanding a department or expanding your business. A simple example that you can use is, I heard that Apple is expanding to Europe and different parts of Asia. See, expand. That is the meaning. The second is competitor. Okay, it's not competitor, competitor. The noun competitor refers to another business that is trying to perform a bit better than your business in the same market. Okay, so it's basically a derivative of the word competition. An example sentence that you can use is, Samsung has a lot of competitors in the phone market. Okay. The next word is organize. You've heard this before, right? Okay. The verb to organize basically means to arrange something in an orderly fashion. Okay. But in the business context, it means to plan for a certain function or an event. An example sentence can be, Nokia will be organizing the upcoming annual sale in January. Something of that sort. Okay, before we jump on to the next particular word, if you are getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. The next word is invoice. The noun invoice refers to an itemized bill showing the list of goods or services that has been provided, along with their price and the total amount that has to be paid. A sample sentence that you can use perhaps is, ABC Enterprise emailed their invoice to XYZ company. That's it. The next is public relations. Well, public relations refers to the activities used to promote and create a good public image of the company so that people can view it in a positive way. The short form of this is PR. That's it. An example sentence is, sponsoring various fitness programs is a good PR move. I use PR, you can also use public relations. Okay, the next is trademark. Trademark basically refers to an official registered name or a symbol or a logo used to represent a particular product. Okay, an example sentence is, one of the most famous trademarks in the world today is the Apple symbol used by Apple Incorporated. Next, visual aids. Visual aids can be anything like different graphs or pictures, maps, charts, anything. Anything that is actually used to make it easier for the audience to understand your particular concept. These are called visual aids. An example sentence is, the engineer showed a lot of visual aids to make his complex construction project more easily understandable. Before we jump on to the next one, If you still have not joined our YouTube community, all you have to do is just hit that subscribe button. That's it, nothing else more than that. Okay, let's move on to the next word. The next word is agenda. It basically refers to the list of things that have to be discussed or done in a meeting or a business event. An example sentence would be, can I please take a look at the agenda for today's business event? The next word is after sales service. It basically refers to the service such as maintenance and repair that you continue to provide after a customer buys your particular product. An example sentence that you can use would be, Honda is very famous for its after sales services. The next is market research. It basically refers to the research that you do or the different information that you collect about your customers and what they need for a particular product. It's basically something that you do before your company is planning to launch a product into the market. An example sentence that you can use is, a recent market research shows that football jerseys are the major source of revenue for a football company. And now I've got a bonus tip for you, or rather a bonus word, and the word is commercial. Well, commercial basically refers to some sort of a paid advertisement on a TV or on the internet or on the radio, anywhere. An example sentence is, companies are willing to pay millions of dollars for commercials. So please make sure to apply these tips that I have just mentioned, and by adding these small little words into your conversation with your colleagues, you can definitely stand out from the crowd. Let me know your feedback in the comment section right below. Feel free to share this video with your friends if it was informative. If you want to get some serious help in your studies, feel free to log on to our website and sign up with us. You can also use our contact form that we have pinned in the comment section right below to get in touch with us. Feel free to check out some of our other videos on this channel. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.